How to download and install TLauncher on Mac. Go to Google and search for TLauncher. Here you can see the official website. Click it here. Here you can see available for Windows, Mac and Linux. Click it here. Here you can see Mac operating system. It has selected automatically. Click on this green button. It has started downloading. Once it is downloaded, unzip this file. Here you can see. Now open this file. Here you can see this error. We need to fix this. Go to system settings. Here you can see privacy and security. Click it here. Here you can see TLauncher was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. Click it here. Open anyway. We need to enter a password and click on modify settings. After that, you can see, are you sure you want to open it? Click it here. Click on allow. As you can see, TLauncher has installed. Now we can enter our username to log in. Here we can select the version. Here we can install the game. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.